We interrupt our regular programming for a CNN breaking news story. Stand by.
This is CNN News. We have received reports of rioting all across the state of New York about the decision by Donald Trump to exit the Paris Climate Accords. We have our correspondent, Andrew Bullock, in the midst of all this rioting. Andrew, what do you have for us?
Hi. Today I'm here seeing a lot of people are protesting with signs of Save Earth for a Bright Future and Re-enter Paris Agreement. There are already police officers over here blocking out the road where I'm standing from.
What do you think about this?
Well, I think the riot is justified enough, personally. I personally also think that Donald Trump should re-enter the Paris Agreement because, climate change is a real thing, and it's happening all over the globe constantly for a few years now. So, yeah, I think the rioters are protesting with the correct rights. I mean, the correct reason to be protesting.
Do you think that the rioting will be peaceful?
Well, I think that... Wait a minute. There are military personnel arriving here.
Wait, did you say military personnel are here?
Yeah, the military personnel are arriving in trucks now to the streets to stop the protesting here in New York City. Oh my god!
What's wrong?
Protesters shot at military personnel! He's returning fire as well.
I think you should get out of there.
That's exactly what I'm thinking about. This is Andrew, reporting to Santa. Hopefully stay alive to cover our next story.
Well, violence erupted now, and... Wait a minute. I am receiving reports that the EAS is about to chime in here. Stand by.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. The riots that were previously reported in New York escalated. A gunman has shot a military personnel, causing the other to fire. This caused the crowd to retreat, but authorities are still asking all residents to stay in their homes, and do not let anyone into your home. Do not go outside between 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. If anyone is spotted leaving their homes without permission, or with invalid reason, you will be arrested without further questions. 45 people already got arrested for leaving their homes without permission. Don't be the next inmate. If you require a medical emergency, dial 911 for medical services, or call your doctor. If you're required to travel, don't do that until an all-clear is given by the civil authorities. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated.